Steve here at West Green. I've got to go, but I'll hand you over to the station master, Manavananian Civitas Supermanium. Are you ready, Manny? Oh, yes, Mr. Roy, I am ready. I am going to tell you what is happening at West Green. Look, is a mess. West Green is not happening. But I'm telling you, you come over to our terminal station. This is beloved Fattock's End. That's FUTTOCKS and End. Fattock's End. Now, I'm going to tell you what I've been doing. Sorry, that's my alter ego. I think I admire Peter Sellers, who always had to be an alter ego. Oh, blimey. I've dropped something on the floor. Hang on. Well, I've been building this signal box. I'll show you what I've been doing. It's not finished yet. I've got to put the guts in, all the interior and the lever frame and everything. I've even got a little clock for it. But, there we go. I'll pull the roof off. I put gutters on today. I've got downpipes, that's what fell on the floor. So, the gutters is a drinking straw. And I bogged the end up with a bit of, what do they call it? Blue tack. I sprayed it, I actually sprayed it with, I cut it and sliced it in half, sprayed it with grey primer, then Brunswick cream and stuck it on with super glue. Done all the glazing. Do you like my little door handles? These are brass pins. I've got the downpipes. I'm using brass rod for downpipes. I've only just sprayed it up. So I put the roof on. I've got a little clock to go on the back and the lever frame and everything. I think I might put some lights in it, otherwise I wasn't going to, but otherwise it'll be too dark in there and there won't be much point. Anyway, so I'll put that there. That's what fell on the floor. This is a, hold on. Sorry about that, that was a massive sneeze session. That's my drain pipe. Piece of, I don't know what size, brass. Just let that dry. Then I'll super glue that on. And then the outside, oh, I'm thinking someone else did this. Someone else put little finials and ridge capping on. Well, I don't particularly want the ridge capping, but I think of a couple of finials that look pretty Mickey Mouse. Anyway, what do you think, Mr. Civitas Superman? I think it's a really good idea, my friend. Anyway, up here, let's see what's going on up here. My turntable. I'm still waiting on this DCC control module for it. That should be here this week. But what I did, look, I put in 3 buffers at the other end, buffer stops, and I did some ballasting, and I've just weathered it all down. I actually just went over it with some acrylics and bogged it all up and made it very murky. Anyway, over here, this is where my engine shed's going to go. I've still got to buy that. I might buy it tomorrow. But look what's arrived. A Thompson L1 67721, a Great Eastern one at that. Oh, sorry about my camera work. I think we'll bring it onto the turntable. Oh, you son of a... Oh, you know what I've done. I'll take my loco out, hold on. Silly me. 7721. Enter. Come on. Forward, that should work now. Oh, look at that. Please don't make a liar of me. I don't want any bloopers, not today. This could go viral. I doubt it. Now, reverse direction. Now, what points have I got to change? 5, 6, 7. And that's right. 1, 2, 3. There. Let's see how we go. I must admit, I'm having fun scenic in it. Now, change 0.7. Point 0.8 is right. Now, the only thing I don't know, because I haven't got this DCC control module, is if that switch is the right way. It depends which way the terminal table is, that way or that way. Find out. Forward. There we go. Oh. Had to move the solder out of the way. As you can see, it's a work in progress. Now, it's either going to short out. I think it's the wrong way. Hold on. I was right. I had the switch set the wrong way. Come on. I finally got it on. Now, I'll move this around. I'll just line this up by eye. Bit more. Right, reverse it, a loco that is. Let's hope it goes off alright. Oh. Wasn't perfect, but still. So there you go. I'm just going to put a Northlight engine shed there, small one. That should do it. Anyway, thanks for watching. That's just an update of what's going on. And it is goodbye from Mr. Sivara Subramanian. Please subscribe, come back to my channel. Maybe one day we'll have a nice cup of chai together.